Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, happy 20th of December. It's getting close now. Oh my goodness me, by now this time next week it will all be over. But anyway, we have a big parcel from Diamond Painting Deutschland to look at. We have our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation advent calendar to open and our Fancell's gorgeous wooden box to open with the advent calendar inside it. So, woohoo! Oh, naughty or nice. Let's have a look in this packet then and see whether it is naughty or nice. We'll have to move the other two out of the way for now, as this is quite a big packet. And I'm not quite sure what it is. It's quite big, so we will have a look. Wow, we hope everybody's doing okay and that your preparations, if you're having a Christmas do, are coming along nicely. I've been watching lots and lots of videos on Facebook and TikTok and YouTube, all of people's Christmas decorations, their houses decorated. I love seeing them. I think it's marvellous. I'm going to try and get hubby into his wheelchair and I'll see if I can film just walking around our little estate where we live, because there's some fantastic decorations up. Some people have really gone to town, not quite on like the big American style decorations, but they really do look good. They're huge, well, compared to ours anyway. We're the dark end of the street. I do all inside, but I don't do outside. Oh, we've got another picture. Oh, so we are on to our third little picture. Okay, and we have a gorgeous sunflower, and that is lovely. That is really, really nice. Now I'm thinking there's no squares on this, so is this one a round painting? Oh no, it's still square. Okay, let's get it out of the packet and have a look. So, pen, boat and wax, and quite a few little grip seal bags there. We have one of our nice little wooden stands again. This one's better than the last one we got, about the same quality as the first one. The last one I was just being really picky and it had a couple of little dings and things on it, but this is lovely, all nicely finished off, so very nice. And then they're all resin gems, and yep, definitely squares. Look at those colours. Wow, very summery, lovely colours. This one is, let me have a look, 21 different colours, DMC codes on it. They've not put any specials in them. I suppose we've had a few kits that have had special projects in them, but there's no sort of like twinklers or AB coated or anything like that in them. So, okay, it's a 20 by 20 picture on a nice like hardboard or an MDF, I think it is, frame. All nicely tightened across there, and there's no writing on the edges, which is always a bonus. But yeah, that is a very bright and sunny sunflower. I do like sunflowers. I've not got any seeds this year. If you've been with me a while, you may know. I did buy a big sunflower head with all the seeds in, ready to grow my own. And yeah, I put it in our little outside cupboard. Silly me. And the mice got in and ate the lot. I didn't really want it in the house, and it never occurred to me that by putting it in a plastic cupboard outside, that it would get eaten. But obviously the mice can get through the smallest gaps, and they did. And they ate all my sunflower seeds, so I couldn't grow any sunflowers that year. I still intend to grow some sunflowers, but yeah, possibly next year. We'll just have to wait and see. Because they are one of my favourite flowers. I always think sunflowers look like they've got a big smile on the face. They're always happy flowers. I do like a good sunflower. Okay, let's have a look at some of these colours. They're very bright and cheerful. Apologies for the shadows again. Yeah, it's very dark and dull in the UK. We had a lot of rain the other night, and yeah, it hasn't been very good. So we seem to have a nice day with a coolish wind, but quite nice. And then you get a freezing cold day, and then you get a nice day, and then, oh, you just never know what to wear, what's going on. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Gosh, 21 colours. Right, that's our 3865, our winter white there. Very nice. So it's not a stark white, so it'll keep the warmth of the sunflower by having, it's like a creamy coloured white rather than a real stark bright white like the penguin, the big penguin picture that we got. Yeah, I think this is probably the one that I'm most likely to buy, albeit the first one was the lovely hot pink heart. But yeah, I do like this one. So are we going through the seasons then, do we think? Did we have like the Valentine's one? We got the sunsetty one, which is like summer, and your big sunflowers tend to come out towards the end of summer, sort of autumn, don't they? So I'm just wondering if maybe we're going through the seasons. Might there be another Christmas one in amongst the packages? Don't know what are in any of the packages. I've not watched any of the smilers spoilers. Oh my goodness, of these advent calendars. I've been keen not to look because I just want to open them up and see what they are and not spoil the surprises. Right, so we are starting off at number 1, which is your russety colour. Oh, and then a lemon, and then a black, 310 black, and then a brown colour, a little bit like a milk chocolate, and a sunny yellow, and a pale lemon, and a magenta colour, and then your greens. These will be your leaves. So we've got a dark sort of army green, and a grassy green, and airing towards a lime green, and a sage green, and a lighter sage green, and a bright orange, and a very orange, and then a red wine colour. Oh, and that's definitely an army green. There is a lot of greens in this. Goodness me. Look at that. That's only a small picture. You would think there'd be more oranges and yellows, but look at all the greens. So what have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 greens, and then another 2 oranges. Gosh. So there's only, oh, I suppose we've got the yellows and the lemons as well. But I'd never expect that there would be 8 different colours of green, different shades of green on this picture. So that is, yeah, quite amazing. Wow. Okay, yeah, liking this one. I do feel as though I'm criticising them all the time, and I really don't mean to. But yeah, I feel as though they've missed a trick by just giving us 3 square paintings, unless they only do these in square, possibly, I don't know. But you'd think doing another round one, we've had 2 squares, maybe do a round one just to showcase some of your other gems and drills and things as to what they're like. The penguin was round, wasn't it? So I suppose that one had rounds on it. But yeah, 3 square little paintings. If for anybody that doesn't like squares and doesn't want to do squares, that must be a little bit disappointing for them. I do squares, and I will do these. It's not my favourite and they're not my drills of choice. I do prefer doing rounds, but that's because I like to be able to do things fairly quickly and get them completed fairly quickly. That's just me and the way I am. I can't do with things hanging around. I have to get it done now. But yeah, we're not all the same, fortunately. So yeah, that's our lovely little sunflower kit. I do like that. I think that's quite cute. And as I say, it is one that I would definitely look at because I do like sunflowers. Let us have a look in National Lampoons. So we got the RV, well, part of an RV yesterday. Excellent. Oh, Audrey's gone again. Oh, where's she gone now? Of all the ones to go missing, I mean, these are all sort of like on the same line as her. So when I pick it up, why this one keeps disappearing, I don't know. It's obviously stroppy teenager syndrome and she's just disappearing every time she gets a chance. Oh, well, I'll go searching for her later and see if I can find her. Right, let us have a look in number 20. This is actually a door. So we're opening a door with a door on it. Oh, see if we can get this. Oh, it's a bit further across than I was thinking. I'm trying to open it along the line of the actual door, but no, it's through the middle of the door, so that didn't work very well. Right, oh, what's this? Okay. Oh, we've got a unicorn. Does anybody remember a unicorn in the film? I have to say I don't. Where would a unicorn show up in the film? Do you know, this is definitely, I feel as though I've got the one that's got all the bits left over in it. Okay. No, because it was there were moose cups, weren't they? And Audrey's a little bit grown up for a unicorn. I mean, she may have one, but I can't imagine it features in the film particularly. Did the little girl have a unicorn? What was she called? Oh, I can't remember what what Eddie's little girl was called, but did she have a unicorn? I don't remember. Oh well, hey ho, we've definitely had some exceptionally strange pieces. Ones that we can relate to the film and ones that definitely don't. I mean, I say the car, the rocket. We've come to the consensus that this is a squirrel, which is a very strange squirrel. Okay. The bells, well, yeah, the bells. We did, I think the bells used to ring on the front of the advent calendar each day as they opened the doors. And it was a lovely advent calendar they've got in that film as well, with all the little wooden doors to open. That was a super advent calendar. So yeah, let me know if you can remember being a unicorn in the film. Oh my goodness me. So we've got 4 left to go, and possibly one will be another part of the RV, but whether it will actually connect to this one, whether it'll match up with this one, whether Audrey will ever come back, I don't know. Or maybe it was Audrey's unicorn and she's so embarrassed she's disappeared so that we can't link it to Oh my goodness. Right, let us have a look in our gorgeous fan cells advent calendar. So what are we going to get today? Number 20. Oh heck, right down here. There's not many left to open. Let me get it on camera and not get any glare so you can see what we've got. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Oh, right. We've got a sweet. But not a sweet to eat, it's just a decoration. That one, compared to some of the others, is a little bit disappointing, I think. Yeah, it's not even sort of level, is it? I'll have to chop a bit off that end, I think, so that it's a bit more level. We have got the little tie at that side, but it's holographic paper wrapped around a piece of foam, I believe that will be. Shall I open it and see what it is? Can I open it? Let's just have a sneak peek and see how this is made. I do like to see how things are made. You watch, I won't be able to get it back together. Let's just... oh yeah, it's just a piece of foam, look. Just a piece of round foam. Okay, well you can't win them all. I do think that practically all of the others have been really nice and really good little decorations. So yeah, the pine cone was a bit strange to go with all the others, but I suppose they may be running out of ideas now. There's only so many bells and parcels and baubles, I suppose, you can put in it. Particularly they seem to have a fairly... I was going to say a fairly limited colour palette, but there have been quite a few different ones, haven't there? So let me just wrap that one back around there so that it's fastened up. And I suppose we can fasten it there. We'll just foof this bit out again here. Okey-doke, so it looks a bit more like a sweet. And let's have a look at this end. Shall we just trim a bit of that off? Just do a bit of surgery on this sweet wrapper here, because it's just a little bit sort of wild, isn't it? Let's see, where can I cut it from to make it look better? Oh, that one's got the wire wrapped around it as well. Oh, so it's just got like little freezer tags, freezer ties on it, both ends. Okay. I don't want to do it too short. Sorry, I know I'm faffing. Let me just cut it slightly there. Oops. And then foof it out a bit like the other side. And hopefully we'll have a bit more sort of balanced sweet. Oh yeah, that looks better. That's just cut it down that little bit so it looks a bit more level at both sides. So okay, I mean, to be honest, they'd be really easy to make if you've got some holographic wrapping paper. Just a couple of little silver freezer tags, or even a bit of cotton or string or something. And those foam things are quite, I suppose you could use one of the little packing peanuts or something like that and just wrap them up and have lots of little sweets on your tree. So, okay. That one wants to go at the other side, doesn't it? I'll put it there for now. Oh, we'll give it to Santa to hold. Santa does like holding the presents, doesn't he? Okay, so quite a reasonable little haul today. We've got our little sunflower picture, which is very cute, and yeah, one that I would probably buy. We got a very strange unicorn in our advent calendar. It's definitely been a surprise advent calendar, this. We just have no idea what is going to be in it next and whether it's going to relate to the film or not. And then we got a sweet and we did a bit of DIY on it. But yeah, okay, I just think it gives you a good idea to be able to make a nice sweet, to be honest. So yeah, oh, put it back in Santa's hand there. Okay, well, thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these again. It's certainly been a lot of fun looking at all these things and seeing what's coming next. If you have enjoyed it, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, see what's in tomorrow's advent, then press that subscribe button down in this corner and all notifications bell pops up, and when you click on that, it sends you a little notification to say Liz has uploaded a new video. Come along and watch it, and hopefully you will. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.